Hello everyone, this video is on desert rose pollination, harvesting and sprouting. The flowers have used the brush technique. Pollinating the plant must be completely kept in the shade. Be frequently fed or else it would drop their fruit. After around 1 month, 19 days, got to see this pod. Actually expected of this size, the bigger one. But got this size, but fine. Some seeds are better than nothing. As this was my first hand pollinating experience, so didn't expected even this, so quite happy. So at this stage the seed pods must be tied so that the seeds don't fly off. They have a hair like structure on it, with that easily they can be blown away. After 2 days the pod has completely dried and fallen off the plant. So we'll be removing the thread slowly, and very excited to see how many seeds are there in such a tiny pod. Let's see. Wow, only 10 seeds, but that's okay. It's very smooth. Oops, they're flying. Here I'm separating the seed and the hair. This hairy part is really very shiny. It can be used in craft, I guess. So if you people have any idea, please share it in the comments. Would love to try it. Part 3, preparing for germination. Here I have taken mixture of coco peat and sand for proper drainage. The seed bed is ready. We'll be placing the seed at equal distances. Coco peat holds water for longer time, we know. It also helps the roots to spread easily, but it also has some drawbacks. Regular watering or over watering may spoil the samplings. So watering with coco peat or using coco peat must be taken care. Slightly tap the seeds inside and cover with the medium. This step of covering the seed bed with a cloth I do for all, as it helps to maintain the humidity levels. Also it prevents the seed displacement if watering. Today is June 15th. Only 5 seeds out of 10 have sprouted, waiting for others too. July 9th. So finally 70% success. Now once the seedlings have minimum 6 to 8 true leaves, we'll be transplanting them. We'll soon share the transplant video of this baby adeniums. Till then, take care everyone, and if you like the content, please do share with your friends. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe Lakshmi's Sprouting Seeds.